Good day, everyone. Welcome to argosCreatives, home of design. In today's tutorial, I want to show you on how to change a color from one color to the other. You can change it, transform it without changing the whole entire color of your image. And it's super simple. Just follow my step. So to copy and paste, that's Control C and Control V to paste. Control C for copy, Control C to paste. So this is what I want to work on. I want to work on this something that looks like pinafore. Yeah, let me just call it pinafore here. So now I have this. So what I will do is that I will go to my effect here. So let me zoom in a little bit so that you can see what I'm doing actually. So come to my effect here, the adjust. Do you know the reason why it's not showing here? Nothing is showing because I've not clicked on my image. So this is the image I want to work on. So come to your effect, your adjust here, then go to your replace colors. So now your replace color. So what you will do is you will go to reset. Let me reset it so I can come back to my original stuff. So let me excuse me, let me push this side, and what I will do is just this eyedropper tool here, just click on it, then click on the shades you want to change the color. So I'm changing this color, so now you can see it here. Then I'll come down here to the new, then I will change it. Let me change it to something loading or something like that. Let me see. You can see the color is changed. The color has changed. So on that I can just press my OK. You can see so this is before and this is after. Then also you can also change this color alone. Yes, this one you can change the color. It depends on what you want to change the color to. You can see, so that's that. So that is super simple. So let me push this aside. Okay, then let me work on this. Control C and then Control V to paste. Then I bring it out. Let me zoom in. You can see what I will do is that let me come to my effect, just replace colors, then what I will do is reset it. Now I don't want to change this pinafore here. I want to change the other ones, just of the cloth. Let's see if it's going to change. Let me reset that. I want to change it from blue to this particular one. To change it from blue down to let's use something. Can see that it's changed. Can see. It's okay. You can see this is before and this is after. You can see that it changed the color. Now that's that for today's tutorial. I will see you in the next class. Please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I want you to do that right now. Like, also comments, because you're also doing me a favor by doing those things. And I want you to also share to people around you so that they can always benefit from these tutorials. And also want you to follow me on my Facebook. That's argosCreatives. Also, you will see me there. Also, I always drop tutorials also. Thank you. I will see you in the next class.